Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, still Thursday, almost weekend. Thursday, October 28th. In this additional, we have nine puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. I've already solved those two puzzles. Then we have a tectonic to do, binary, and a killer Sudoku to do. We have here another tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle. This puzzle is I'm not interested. So time for the binary puzzle number. Yes, this will be number, let me see which number it will be. 3603. 3603. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. And now I need to think. I cannot play. Here we have 3 O's. I cannot place the 4th one here. Otherwise, we have 4 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and an 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. Alright, between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Alright. Think. I'm thinking. How about 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Now, need to compare. This column and the second column. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Need to compare again. Okay, let me see. Double O we have here. This column and the first column, we have an O here. O, 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 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes. Great. A binary, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth puzzle. 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.